تبوئ المؤمنين مقاعد للقتال والله سميع عليم.
O Messenger, remind the Muslims of the occasion when you went forth from your home at early dawn to the battlefield of Uhud and placed the believers in battle arrays. Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
إذ هم الطائفتان منكم أن تفشلا والله وليهما وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
And recall when two groups from among you were inclined to flag, although Allah was their protector. It is in Allah that the believers should put their trust.
وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ بِبَدْرٍ وَأَنْتُمْ أَذِلَّةٌ فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ.
For sure, Allah helped you at Badr, when you were utterly weak. Beware then of Allah, perhaps you will be thankful.
إذ تقول للمؤمنين ألن يكفيكم أن يمدكم ربكم ب3,000 من الملائكة منزلين.
And recall when you said to the believers, will it not suffice you that your Lord will aid you by sending down 3,000 angels?
بلى إن تصبروا وتتقوا ويأتوكم من فورهم هذا يمددكم ربكم ب5,000 من الملائكة مسومين.
If you are steadfast and mindful of God, even though the enemy should suddenly fall upon you, your Lord will help you with 5,000 marked angels.